You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up. Because 90% of success isn't about brilliance, it's about consistency. The people winning aren't always the smartest. They are the ones who kept showing up when it's got boring, hard, lonely. The truth is, motivation fades, passion fades, even confidence fades. But discipline, that's what keeps you moving when nothing else does. And yeah, some days it will feel like you're making no progress at all. But one day, you will look back and realize every small effort was adding up. Every late night, every repetition, every step forward when you didn't feel like it. So keep showing up, even when tired, even when unsure, because one day you will thank yourself for not quitting on the days it made no sense. Don't stop.